Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody, my name is Muhammad Nasruddin. You can call me Didin. I'm from Welding Engineering Department in Welding Institute Polytechnic of Surabaya. My number is 0718040055. In this video, I will tell you about oxy-acetylene welding. Oxy-acetylene welding, in this video, there depends on the four parts. In the first part, I will tell you about the meaning of oxy-acetylene welding. In the second part, I will tell you about tools and materials of oxy-acetylene welding. In the third part, I will tell you about the process of oxy-acetylene welding. And the last part, I will tell you about advantage and disadvantage of oxy-acetylene welding. Now, we go to the first part. In the first part, I will tell you about the meaning of oxy-acetylene welding. Oxy-acetylene welding is gas welding process that use a heat source flame through combination of oxygen gas and acetylene gas to melt the metal and the filler with manual welding process. Usually, this use only for thin plate under the 3 millimeters thickness. And then oxy-acetylene welding, we use it usually for cut the plate and the preheat the plate. Beside the function for welding itself. In oxy-acetylene welding, there are 3 flames. In the first flames, neutral flames. In the second, oxidation flames, and the third is carburation flames. In neutral flames, it means the presentation of oxygen and acetylene is the same. It means the 50% presentation of the oxygen and 50% presentation of the acetylene. We usually use these flames for weld. And then the second is oxidation flames. The oxidation flames, it means the oxygen's presentation higher than the acetylene presentation. Usually we use these flames for cut the plate and cut the material. And then the last flame is carburation. The carburation is the presentation of acetylene gas higher than the oxygen gas presentation. Usually, we use it for the preheat the materials. Now, we go into the second parts. The second parts, I will tell you about the materials and tools of oxy-acetylene welding. Oxy-acetylene welding, there need many tools. First, we need is the gas. The blue is the oxygen gas and the brown is acetylene gas. The next we need is the carburetor. Usually we use it for the presentation the gas itself. And then we need the welding nozzle and welding torch. Welding nozzle, the gas came from these tools. And then for the safety, we use the safety shoes. And then we use the wear pack and we use the glove. We use the glove. And then don't forget, we use the goggles for protect our eyes from the arc welding. Oxy-acetylene welding materials is carbon steel and the filler metal. And then I will tell you about the oxy-acetylene process. First, prepare the materials and welding. First, prepare tools and materials. It means we prepare the table, we prepare the gas, we prepare the welding nozzle, and then we use the wear pack for our safety. We use the safety shoes, we use the glove and the goggles effectively. And then make sure the tools in the oxyacetylene welding process as assembled perfect and you can work well. It means we can make sure the materials it's normal, and then put the carbon steel on the work table and set the position to be ready to weld. It means we put the carbon steel and then we can weld with weld. Next, open the oxyacetylene gas valve and the little oxygen gas on the torch. We twist the welding torch like the picture before, and then use the lighter to light it. Use the torch, we push the torch and then set it natural with the natural flames, because we want to weld the plate. And then preheat the carbon steel until it melts. We preheat the material until its color yellow. I mean orange, not yellow. And then put the filler on the melt. Then slide the torch by swinging until it's finished. We swing the filler, and then the torch gas is behind the filler. Then the carbon steel that you weld is finished. And then the last part is advantage and disadvantage of oxyacetylene welding. The advantage first. I will tell you about the advantage first. The advantage first is if there is an incorrect, we can melt back with the flame of acetylene welding. It means if we warm the weld, we can restart. We can restart from the beginning again, because it's advantage of oxyacetylene welding. And then this process can be used on the thin plates under the 3mm plates. And then we need to wear many equipment. And then I will tell you about disadvantage of this welding. Manual welding should take welding efficiency and speed are less. It means we can welding the material is so fast. We must weld its material slowly. And then very rarely used for welding non-metal or stainless steel. It means it's very dangerous and very hard to weld in stainless steel. Okay, thank you for your attention. I hope this video can help you for make the oxyacetylene welding. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.